Good morning. Every name is called as noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand, bridal ring. The word means action, something done. To read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell. As quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunction join in many ways. Sentence, words, phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out ark. I need an exclamation mark. Have you enjoyed the parts of speech? Have you enjoyed the parts of speech? Yes, yes.